Well, I finally got the headlight all sorted out. The turn signals are not installed. They're just sitting in there. They're not plugged in or anything. I had some 3D printed bits to put some new signals there, and I just can't find them since I moved. But I got the headlight hooked up. Let me grab the key. It comes on. You can hear it whining as it warms up. Now the high beam works as it should. I haven't tested the light beam pattern or aimed it or anything yet. It's probably still aimed a little bit high, but my overly expensive projector actually works. I didn't have to give up on it. So there you have it. It's pretty blacked out and cool when it's off. It won't look super close at the glue inside. Glue's painted black, but it's just a little lumpy. But very happy about the motorcycle single projector. I think it's the Mini H1 kit from the Retrofit Source. But very happy with how it turned out. More expensive than it should have been, but very cool. So that is the newest part of the second Navi. You can see I got the floorboards all replaced and mounted. I got to put all the hardware in and the little plastic cap. But now it's not broken there and it's not chopped up there. Everything is nice and brand new again. I'm just waiting for the last little couple pieces to show up. The bracket for the storage box. But as you can see from my last video, the new seat cover's on and it fits and looks great. So the next thing to do is to hook up the new brake light and mount these these turn signals, even though they're not the ones I wanted. I don't want to buy another set of 3D printed adapters because I have some somewhere maybe in that box or that box or that box, or up in that box or in that crate or in that box. I have a lot of stuff to go through, so it's in one of these places. Maybe in the toolbox. I don't know. I've looked pretty much everywhere, I think, but somewhere they exist. So that's where we're at. I think I'm probably gonna redo this one now and probably put a projector in there as well. So once again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have questions about this, I can certainly dig up the receipts that I bought through my emails and find links to the Retrofit Source kit that I bought. But I'm pretty happy with it. I did have to use a different wiring technique to make that high beam work the way that it's supposed to. But everything works now. So again, thanks for watching. See you later.